And that is how you get a sew-in less than 5 minutes. Not only this wig, but wigs on their website. Like, if y'all are interested in a wig, you need to get them now. The deals are ready for us now, not later, now. Inside the box, we have this black holder for a pen. It's really cute inside. As well as their manual. We have a lace band. We have some lashes. We have this really cute red scarf. We have a dust bag to keep the wig in. And we have the wig. Y'all, this is a 24-inch V-part body wave wig from UNiceHair. It's very pretty. It has a nice luster to it. And I know this is going to be a bomb sew-in. Y'all know this ain't going to be no sew-in, but we're really going to give sew-in. And it's going to be as simple as 1, 2, 3. So now I'm here. I'm not new to the V-part wigs. I do not have braids. It will be one of those very quick and simple installs. Like, you don't have to braid your hair down. I'm going to section out a small amount of leave out. Maybe that much. Just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way with the V-part wig. Trust me. V-part is less leave out than a U-part, and we're going to achieve that right now. If you're not quite sure how much hair that you want to leave out, I suggest taking one side of the V-part and kind of measuring it to see where your part needs to go. That helps you kind of know how far back you need to part. And it'll help when it comes to actually sectioning out your leave out, because you'll know where to stop. So this is about right. I'm just going to take some of my hair out. It's not going to take much. That should do it. And that's 2 sides. So we have our 2 sides. We're going to clip it on. I don't necessarily need like an ankle braid or something to attach the hair. So I'm just going to be clipping it right here. So to style it, we're just going to be adding some light curls, and then we're going to do our leave out with some of the hair on the V part. And that's it. So let's do that real quick. So now that we're at the top, I wanted to come back and show y'all how I blend my hair. Now, if you're somebody that kind of wants the most realistic look, you're going to want to trim this part right here to match whatever length your leave out is. I think mine has grown a little bit to where I don't have to cut this, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to take this out. Now we have my hair and the wig hair. To reduce how much heat I'm using on my head, I'm not even going to pick up a flat iron. I'm just using this to kind of have my hair with the wig hair. And all I'm going to be doing is taking it and doing the wand curls. Exactly what I've been doing to the rest of the hair. This wand curl is actually pretty high, so I'm not going to have to sit this there that long. Then you let it go. And you let it drop in your hand. Try to let it sit in your hand for about 5 to 10 seconds, because that kind of helps the curl cool before letting it go. Hot curls drop. So now my hair is curled with that. So now my hair is curled with the wig hair. But I'm going to go ahead and do the other side off camera, and then I'll come back to y'all with the final results. And that is how you get a sew-in less than 5 minutes. Alright, y'all, that is it for this video. Shout out to UNice and this V-part wig. This is another convenient, simple style, beginner friendly. If you're experienced friendly, it really doesn't matter. It's one for all. It's one of those kind of wigs. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, go ahead and feel free to subscribe to my channel to come take off with me. We're going to be doing styles like this, convenient, beginner friendly, relatable stuff. Like, let's do it. Come take off with me. I would love to have you join the fam. And yeah. All the information on this V-part wig from UNice will be down below. This is really the tea, because y'all do know it's Black Friday sales going on right now, right? Wigs on their site, you can literally get up to $70 off and a free hot comb if you spend over $299. So if y'all looking for wigs, I'm gonna need y'all to click down below. Shop the link. Get the discounts. Get the deals. I don't make no money from that link. It's taking you to the website. I'm gonna need y'all to hop on these Black Friday deals because what better time than UNice Black Friday, okay? This wig was very easy to install. Literally a ponytail foundation clipped on with a little leave out goes a long way. And she's definitely given, did I just sit in somebody's chair and got me a sew-in? But that is it for this video, and it's time for me to go. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.